If Interlaken had a king, he would reside on the Harder Kulm. From the viewing platform at 1,322 meters above sea level, he would graciously look down upon Lake Brienz and Lake Thun, or admire the Eiger, Munch, and Jungfrau. In fact, the Harder Kulm Panorama restaurant is reminiscent of a castle. In order to visit it, however, you don't need to be a king, just take a seat in the cable car and ascend Interlaken's own mountain. Evening trips. It seems unreal. Lake Thun, Lake Brienz, Interlaken and the world-famous triumvirate of the Eiger, Munch and Jungfrau, bathed in a warm, pink light. Ferdinand Hodler could not have painted more beautifully. On the Harder Kulm, the sun goes down and the heart rises. Admittedly, there are many places with beautiful sunsets. But there are not many where you will find this unique combination of a breathtaking view and convenient accessibility. The Harder Railway transports romantics of all kinds every evening in time for the sunset, then back to Interlaken within 10 minutes. What a magnificent cow. Every day, she stands as if rooted on the two-lake footbridge of Interlaken's own mountain Harder Kulm, without even moving a single millimeter. It's no wonder. She is guaranteed the best view there. The turquoise Thun Lake to the right, the turquoise Brienz Lake to the left, which one is bluer? Between them sits beautiful Interlaken, and straight ahead is the alpine triumvirate of the Eiger, Munch, and Jungfrau. It is not only the cow who never gets enough of this view. The Harder Railway takes visitors from Interlaken to the two-lake footbridge at the Harder Kulm Panorama restaurant in only 10 minutes. The broad panoramic path leads through a pleasantly shady mountain forest and offers a comprehensive all-round view of Lakes Brienz and Thun, the Bodali between the two lakes, and the majestic Eiger, Munch and Jungfrau peaks. From the Harder Kulm restaurant, the path starts out as a stony but quite wide and leisurely mountain trail. Then you might even break out in a sweat briefly as you tackle the sizable climb to the Hardergrad. A comfortable descent on a narrow path through the idyllic Waniwal then awaits you on your way back to Harder Kulm. The hike offers a comfortably simple route profile. We recommend good hiking boots with good soles to enjoy this unique mountain trail safely. The picturesque Harder Kulm panorama restaurant towers high above Interlaken. It boasts a combination of a fantastic view, delicious food and good accessibility. From the valley station, the Harder Railway takes you up Interlaken's own mountain in just 10 minutes. It has everything to satisfy small and big appetites alike. And those hungry for the view will also get their money's worth. Interlaken with Lake Thun and Lake Brienz at the foot, the world-famous triumvirate of the Eiger, Munch and Jungfrau always in view. Harder Kulm is the ideal venue for meetings, seminars and events with a totally unique view. This modern new building offers seating for 130 people, is equipped with state-of-the-art audiovisual technology and can be hired exclusively. A further room is available on the first floor of the Panorama restaurant. This room offers seating for 55 guests. In the restaurant Eiger, on the ground floor, there is space for up to 80 guests. The quick and easy way to a dream panorama. The funicular, which is more 100 years old, transports you to the Harder Kulm at 1,322 meters above sea level in less than 10 minutes. The ride to the summit station is thrillingly steep, and throughout the journey you can marvel at a majestic landscape of lakes and mountains. The base station of the Harderbahn is a short walk from Interlaken OST station. The funicular railway celebrated its 100th anniversary in 2008. To mark the occasion, the carriages dating from 1966 were replaced. The new, modern carriages now deliver breathtaking views of deep blue Lake Thun, turquoise Lake Brienz and the towering peaks of the Eiger, Munch and Jungfrau as you ascend the mountain. The Harderbahn funicular navigates 755 fascinating m in just 10 minutes at an incredible average incline of 64%. Thanks to its central location and easy accessibility, the Harder Kulm can be part of almost any itinerary. The Harder Kulm is the ideal destination for gourmets, fans of great views, sports people, hikers and nature lovers. From the mountain station, an easy path leads to the inviting Panorama restaurant in just 5 minutes. The restaurant Sun Terrace is a great place to unwind. A few steps from here is the glazed viewing platform of the Two Lakes Bridge, which guarantees superb, panoramic views. The railway operates every 30 minutes from April to end of November. There are also evening trips between spring and autumn. Details of the operating times can be found in the general information on the Harderbahn. Your highlights at a glance. Short journey time, from Interlaken to the Harder Kulm in just 10 minutes. Base station is a short walk from Interlaken OST. Impressively panoramic views from the carriages throughout the journey. Viewing platform is a 5-minute walk from the summit station. To ensure that your trip is perfect in every way, please note. Operates from mid-April to end of November. Evening trips between spring and autumn. Plan your arrival, by train, bus or car. Pack the right equipment for your activity. Personal tip. The ascent in the modern carriage treated us to stunning views as we ascended. Visiting the Harder Kulm is easy and convenient, a must for anyone who wants to capture the perfect view.